saying that no illegal migrants will be tolerated in India. We have our own rules and regulations. We have the border security force to check it. We will certainly see that Indians live in India and also those who are allowed to be here. Illegal immigration is resented and will be strongly resented, and the BSF is strong enough to guard our borders against this.
Even they prepared Indian identity card also. What will you say regarding that?
Pardon?
They prepared Indian identity
They had
card
Indian
also.
passports.
Those who have been pushed back in this case of reverse
They claim they are
migration,
from Bangladesh,
those who
but
have
they
been
do
pushed back,
have
they had
like-
Indian identity cards, several Indian identity cards.
See, India is strong enough to unearth any fake identity card or any fake attempt to enter into our territory and live here without valid permit from this nation.
Sir, as you
Who are
rightly
responsible
pointed
for
out,
that?
there were attempts to create tension. A TMC MLA from Murshidabad, he is trying to lay foundation stone of a Babri replica in Murshidabad on 6th of December. Do you see this thing another attempt to create, some sort of, law and order situation in the pole-bound state?
I will not make any comments on anything without verifying it myself. Tomorrow I am going to Murshidabad. After that you can ask me.
Sir, who are responsible that this kind of people who infiltrated to our country?
You said
and
there are
prepared the
attempts
ID
to
cards? Who are
mislead
responsible
people.
for that?
Who
What
are
do you say?
spreading these rumors?
If false identity cards are possessed by anybody, it's a crime, and India has got a strong system which can unearth the crime and punish the guilty.
So, will you submit a report to the Home Minister regarding your visit and what you have seen on the ground?
I will certainly submit my reports to the competent authorities, the contents of which I do not want to discuss now.
Sir, lastly, what is your purpose to visit Noida and Murshidabad? The same thing, you would be overseeing the situations, the border situations over there?
As a governor, it's my duty to see that I am with the people when they need me. In a crisis, I do not want to run away. In a crisis, in a confusion, I want to be with the people, clarify to themselves, and also give a strong message that the governor is there, not as an onlooker or a weathercock. The governor is there to take action.
So, Mamata Banerjee has